Hey, what's up, everybody? I know it's been a while since I've been on here. I've just been trying to kind of focus on getting well and getting some stuff out of the way that I need to take care of. But here's my SE after a trip to Oregon. Had a good time with it. And I don't have a lot of work in the shop right now. As you can see, it's pretty empty. That build that I've been talking about for months is still dead in the water. I have all the parts in the shed for it. Everything's powder coated. I'm just waiting on the guy to get me the rest of the cash to order the rest of the parts and get it finished up. I'm still going to do a full series on the assembly and all that good stuff. But what I'm going to do for now, being I'm not doing a lot of work, I'm going to be uploading short videos weekly. They're going to be short videos, 1 to 3 minutes. They're going to be basically what I call quick tips. I'm still getting a lot of questions on things that people need help with. So what I plan to do is just cover those tips, cover those points with the quickest explanation I can to get people up and going again. So we're going to start with this one. And I pretty much just kind of replicated the problem of the park brake. This one obviously does not have the park brake on it. I have my own harness on it. Everything's deleted. So the park brake's not there, but I replicated the problem. So what happens is your park brake circuit will close on you sometimes. And even though I get text, well, my park brake's gone. It's been deleted. I have an ASV purge, or I have a aftermarket purge. There's nothing there. It can't be that. Well, it still can, because what happens is, here's an old frame, an old OEM harness. If you were to pull the tank off, you got your radiator cover you got to pull, and you'll just have to pull your tank cover. 4 tank bolts, tank will lift out. Underneath that is your harness. This one here will go to the light switch depending on the year. What you're going to want to look for is this plug right here. And it'll be the only wire on the bike that's green with the yellow tracer. See that? This is your park brake. If there's anything plugged into it, unplug it and you're good to go. You should be good. But what can also happen is if these 2 wires touch anywhere along here, all the way back to the CDI, see, here's that green wire with the yellow tracer. If they make contact anywhere along there, it's still going to activate the rev limiter. So I've even had people say, well, it can't be that because it's not even hooked up. Well, it still can be. So the easiest fix would be, say you're fixing to go on a ride, or you're on a ride and you need to fix it like ASAP. This is what you want to do. And here's the symptom. I'm going to start mine up. It runs funny. Try to rev it. Okay, so what you're going to want to do in that case is come back to your CDI, and I'm going to put you guys on my tripod. Hang on just a sec. You're going to come back here to the CDI, and you're going to want to look for that wire. It's going to be, again, a green wire with the yellow tracer. And mine, like I said, I have mine kind of just replicated to show what it is. I have it just tied into the ground because my harness doesn't have that wire. Of course, I didn't build it that way. So you'll take and disconnect the clear plug to your CDI, depending on the year. You're going to want to disconnect the plug with these colors. The red, black, black and white. Okay, well, here's that problem wire right here. So what you can do is snip this wire. Now, don't snip it on the CDI side, because it really won't hurt anything, but you really don't want to snip anything on a CDI because they're pricey. So just come here, snip that yellow wire like that. And I mean, you can tape it back or whatever, but if you snip it clean, it's not going to touch anything. Now, after you've done that, your issue will be gone. After you hook the CDI back up. Hang on a second. Let's see here. All right. Fire the sucker up and it'll be all gone. So that's it. That's today's Yamaha Banshee quick tip. Be looking for these. I'm not sure what day I'm going to schedule them to upload, but they'll be coming weekly. So you guys have a good day. God bless. Happy riding. Stay safe.